Hey everyone, welcome back to Best Reviews. If you're tired of spending hours cleaning and want a smarter way to keep your floors spotless, then you're in the right place. Today, we're counting down the top 5 best robot vacuums in 2025. Powerful, intelligent, and designed to make your life easier. Before we dive in, don't forget to subscribe to my channel and hit that like button so you never miss out on the latest reviews and gadget updates. And if you're ready to grab one of these amazing vacuums, you'll find all the product links conveniently listed in the description box below. The Eureka E20 Plus brings serious power to the table with its 8,000 PA suction strength, capable of tackling dust, debris, and stubborn pet hair on both carpets and hard floors. What makes it smarter is the auto-lifting mop that raises itself by 10 millimeters when carpets are detected, ensuring your rugs stay dry. With Duo Detect AI 3D obstacle avoidance, dual LiDAR sensors guide the robot even in low-light environments. Its bagless self-emptying station holds up to 45 days of dirt, saving you constant maintenance and replacement bag costs. Plus, the anti-hair tangling V-shaped rubber brush reduces hair wrap by 14%, making this vacuum a solid choice for pet owners. Next, we have the Tapo LiDAR Smart Navigation Robot Vacuum and Mop. This model delivers up to 5,300 pascals ultra-powerful suction with its deep vac technology, picking up over 97% of dust and debris with clog-free airflow. Its mesh grid technology ensures no spots are missed by cleaning in a structured grid-like pattern. For carpets, it automatically increases suction and avoids rugs when in mopping mode, all customizable via the Tapo app. The Smart Auto Empty Dock empties into a large 3-liter sealed dust bag that lasts up to 60 days, meaning you'll barely ever have to think about cleaning maintenance. And yes, it works seamlessly with Alexa and Google Home. At number 3, the legendary iRobot Roomba J9 Plus is a beast when it comes to suction power, offering 100% stronger suction compared to the Roomba Combo I series. What sets it apart is its dirt detective intelligence, which learns from your cleaning history to prioritize dirtier rooms and adjust suction levels automatically. Equipped with precision vision navigation, it avoids obstacles like cables, socks, shoes, and even pet waste, backed by iRobot's famous POOP promise. The eufy C10 comes in slim and powerful. At just 2.85 inches tall, it easily glides under furniture to reach spots most vacuums miss. It delivers 4,000 pascal suction power, perfect for picking up crumbs, pet hair, and dust. Thanks to LiDAR navigation, it maps your home accurately and creates optimized cleaning paths. The 3L self-emptying station provides up to 60 days of hassle-free cleaning. And finally, taking the top spot is the Lefant M2 Pro. This 2-in-1 vacuum and mop combo offers 5,500 pascal strong suction and a 300 milliliter water tank, delivering a thorough clean for multiple floor types. Its carpet detection and auto boost feature optimizes cleaning while keeping carpets dry during mopping. With 9 triangulation sensors and 190-degree PSD obstacle detection, it avoids objects with precision, even in the dark. Designed for pet owners, it efficiently removes hair and handles obstacles with ease. Plus, the 45-day self-emptying station makes maintenance effortless, so you can enjoy spotless floors without lifting a finger.